Hello, I'm gonna do a short video where I show you all the modifications that I've done to my bike. The bike is an Aprilia Tuono V4 factory 2018, which I bought kind of late last season, 13th of August, and I've been riding it around 2,000 kilometers. Well, what I've done, I have put on this tail tidy from Evo-tech Performance, and at the same time I replaced the indicators with these LED indicators, Coso Matte Black. And what do we have more? We have this Akrapovic slip-on. It's not the full system. Moving forward, well, I can start with showing you the mirrors. I have replaced the original mirrors with these bar end mirrors, CRG Arrow. And I bought them along with these adapters, bar end adapters. And I bought these plugs as well to fill those holes from the where the original mirrors were mounted. And apart from the tail tidy, I also bought these short levers from Evo-tech Performance. They are adjustable, both the brake and the clutch lever. And of course, I have the same indicators in the front as in the rear. This is Coso Matte Black LED indicators. Well, that's it.